How to set up cellular data on iPhone. Here's how to do it. First, make sure your mobile carrier plan includes cellular data and that your SIM card or eSIM is activated. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Cellular. In some regions, this option may be called Mobile Service or Mobile Data. At the top of the screen, turn on Cellular Data. Once it's enabled, you should see your mobile network, such as 5G, 4G, or LTE, appear in the status bar. Now, tap Cellular Data Options to configure additional settings. If your carrier supports 5G, tap Voice and Data and choose 5G Auto for the best balance between speed and battery life. You can also choose 5G On if you want to use 5G whenever it's available. If you're traveling internationally and your carrier allows roaming, you can turn on Data Roaming. However, if you want to avoid extra roaming charges, it's best to leave this option turned off unless you specifically need it. If cellular data still isn't working, try toggling cellular data off and back on, restarting your iPhone, or checking for a carrier settings update by going to Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, then tap on About. And that's it. That's how you can set up and enable cellular data on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.